Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Opensea app on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. You'll be able to update your Opensea application through the Play Store. Updating the application is very important if you want to access new features and smoother performance. Also, if you're facing any problems or bugs in the application, they'll be fixed after updating it. So what you have to do is tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in OpenSea and search for it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the application for OpenSea. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated and you'll be able to use the latest version of the app. So that is how you update OpenSea app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.